Hello, my name is Dr. Phil, and this Tuesday I'm going to show you how to properly install a printer over the network. This Tuesday is going to be amazing. Welcome to the Dr. Phil Show. The network cable. Internet slow. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Okay. So, in order to properly connect your printer to your computer, you need to go to the manufacturer's website in order to make sure you have the proper drivers for your computer. So a driver is essentially a program that tells the printer and the computer how to communicate with each other. So even when you buy a printer and they give you a disk, sometimes the disk even has outdated drivers on it, so you just want to go directly to their website. So number one, make sure your printer is connected to your network before you start this process, otherwise you're not going to be able to connect, obviously. And then number two, make sure your computer is connected to the same network that your printer is connected to. So if you go onto your computer, you can check that, go into the lower right hand corner of your screen. Mine is connected to W.A.C.D and my printer is as well, so I know that they can communicate with each other. And then the printer that I'm trying to connect to is an HP printer. So I note down this name and then I go onto the internet. I go to Google, type in HP color laserjet, the name of the printer, and then I add a driver at the end to be more specific. And then the top result is HP's website. You want to make sure your manufacturer's website is the one you click on, not some third-party website. Only trust your manufacturer's website. You go there, and then from there, yes, this is what my printer looks like, so I know I've got the right one, and this is the name of it. You can usually find it on the outside of your printer somewhere. It'll tell you the name. And then the top result here is exactly what I want. It's the full solution. I want to be able to scan with my printer because it has that functionality. So I definitely want the full solution because that'll give me the scan ability. So I selected download and downloaded the file, and then went through a few things, and then it brought me to this page. I'm not connecting through a USB cable. I'm actually connecting through the network, and so I selected automatically find my product on the network. And then it's going to search for your printer because the two of you are on the same network. It should find it with no issues. So it's just going to go through this process here real quick, and then it's going to find it here, HP color laserjet. Yep, that's my printer, and I found it. So I click next, and then it's going to go through the installation process, and it's a pretty straightforward process. And after you're done, you've got it. It's here. And then I also want to make sure, and at the end of the installation process, they usually ask you if you want to print a test page, but if you forgot to do that, you can just right click on the printer, go to properties, the wrong properties menu, printer properties, and then go to print test page, and that just further confirms that your computer and your printer are communicating with each other. So that is how you properly connect your printer to your computer. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thank you for watching.